Hey guys, what is going on? Nel is here from NiuxTech, and today I'm gonna talk how to make your home smart for only 20 bucks. Are you ready? Let's get into it. So it's not a big secret that most of our home electronics such as TV, speakers, radio tuners, ACs, fans and whatsoever are using the same infrared connection technology. So what if there was a universal hub which could control all of those gadgets by the help of your smartphone from any place in the world? Well, say hello to Xiaomi Mijia Universal Remote Controller. This small magical black box comes together with a USB cable and a manual book, and it's only priced under $20. This Xiaomi controller connects to your home Wi-Fi network and can be controlled directly from Mi Home app on your phone or a tablet. It's compatible with most infrared control devices, and in my case I already did set up with my TV, Android TV box, speakers, AC and a ceiling fan. Furthermore, I have also turned my dumb Alpha-wise V8S robot vacuum cleaner into the smart one, and it worked just perfect. So let me quickly show how easy is the connection process. First, if you don't have a Mi Home app, download it from Google Play or Apple Store and create a profile. As soon as you have done it, add Xiaomi Universal Controller from the list and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Now you can start adding your infrared control devices. Press on Add Remote, select the category and find your brand. Finally, complete the thorough connection process according to the tutorial. Congratulations! Now you can control your device directly from your phone. Another cool thing about this Xiaomi Mijia controller is that you can set up your preferred automations. Let me give you some practical examples. Every morning at 8 AM my radio turns on and instantly I get to hear all the latest news from the world. At the same time, my AC and ceiling fan turns on in my living room and kitchen, so the time I enter these zones, the temperature has already reached the optimal level. Every day at 1 PM my robot vacuum starts cleaning my house, and by the end of the day at 11 PM, as I move to my bedroom, AC and fan in the living room will automatically switch off. So these are just some basic examples how you can set up automations at your place for only 20 bucks. As you can see, automation scenarios are limitless. It can be set based on a specific time, days of the week, temperature or humidity level, variety of sensors, and so on and so far. When it comes to the conclusions, here are some things that you should take into consideration before buying this universal Xiaomi remote controller. The Mi Home app is well designed and works pretty smooth, however response time from button press on the app to the actual command from controller takes around 1 second. I also wish that with further updates Xiaomi controller would have better integration with Google Home, so I could also control my infrared devices simply by voice commands. Finally, take a note that Mijia remote controller will work within 10 meters range and will cover only one room at a time. Other than that, this Xiaomi Magic Box works perfectly, has a compact stylish design and most importantly makes your home smart for only 20 bucks. As always, I will leave a link with cheapest price of this product down below, and if you're looking for daily best deals, check out my Facebook page now. What do you guys think about this small gadget from Xiaomi? If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. This is Nellis from NiuxTech, and I will see you next time.